Hi guys, it's Adam with the Boys and Girls Club. Today we're going to be talking about different types of dinosaurs. The first one we're going to talk about is the Triceratops. The Triceratops is a three-horned dinosaur. It had two horns, one right here, and it had one like right above its nose, which kind of stuck up. It was like this big, I think, the one that was out here, but the ones up here were like super long. Alright, so the Triceratops only ate plants, and it was first discovered in the year 1887. Isn't that crazy? Such a long time ago. Since then, there have been like 16 different species that have been proposed. So like 16 species have been like think they're discovered, but they don't really know for sure. They just they think it's kind of like they just they think it's kind of like a hunch or an opinion, so to say. But the National Academy of Science only verified two of them, and the first one was the Torosaurus, and the second one is the Nidoceratops. The first one, the Torosaurus, um, was actually a full-grown Triceratops, and the other one, the Nidosaurus, or the Nidoceratops, was a smaller version of the Triceratops, and it hadn't been fully grown yet. So it had been like an adolescent, which is basically like a teenager, so to say. So the younger ones, the teenagers, so to say, were Nidoceratops, and the adults, or the ones that are full grown, were called the Torosaurus. The Triceratops weighed from anywhere from 11,000 to 16,000 pounds. Do you guys know how heavy that is? That's like so much weight. It's crazy. They could grow up to 30 feet long. 30 feet. That's crazy long. Imagine standing someone next to someone who was like 30 feet. You'd be like this long, and they'd be like this long. Pretty crazy, huh? Scientists believe that they could hold 500 pounds of meat in their mouths at one time. Could you imagine being able to eat that much steak at once? Just 500 pounds of steak just in your mouth. Could you imagine that? It's crazy. It was discovered in 1874, also a very, very long time ago. And the arms on the T-Rex were like this. They're only like 3 feet long compared to its huge body size. So imagine having like 3 foot long arms and a 40-foot long body. Isn't that crazy? They're basically useless. They really only use their arms to like hold on to things. Pretty cool, huh? All right, guys. So the last dinosaur we're going to talk about is a pterodactyl, which actually the pterodactyl isn't a dinosaur. It's actually just a flying lizard, is what scientists declared it as. So they just lived around the same time, which is kind of ironic. But did you guys know that pterodactyls can fly over 67 miles per hour? That's like faster than a car on a highway. Isn't that crazy? It's like zoom, but like 100 times faster than that. Crazy. The adult pterodactyl wingspan is actually like 3.5 feet long. So like this from like right here to like the end of my hand, like right here, from like right here to here. Isn't that crazy? That's just one wing. Crazy, crazy cool. Anyway, so pterodactyls had these really, really long necks, so kind of like a giraffe, but not as long. Some of them even had like their beaks had like that thing that pelicans have. It's like a kind of like a pouch almost, like a kangaroo pouch, but on their beaks, so that when they dove down to go catch fish, they could just let all that water flow in, and then like multiple fish could like flood in there at the same time, kind of like a pelican. But most pterodactyls were carnivores, so they ate like meat, right? But some of them actually ate fruit as well. Isn't that crazy? Like, oh yeah, I'm really into eating meat, but I think I'll have an apple today. I don't know. They're weird creatures. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. The second type of dinosaur we're going to talk about is the T-Rex, or the Tyrannosaurus rex. And Tyrannosaurus actually means tyrant lizard, and Rex means king. So basically, all of it put together means it was a tyrant lizard king. Is that pretty cool? Could you imagine like a big king that's like a giant lizard, just like in his throne, just like being able to rule over all the other dinosaurs. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, they were 40 feet long. They're longer than the Triceratops, and they were up to 20 feet tall. Imagine that, just looking straight up. Just be like, hey, how's the weather up there? The T-Rex is a carnivore, which means that it ate other animals. And scientists believe that they